It's Friday, I've finished work, I've got a pint poured, so let me give you a rundown of some of the latest AWS announcements that's caught my eye this week. Cheers. So today I'll highlight Amazon Titan Text Premier for Bedrock, Amazon Bedrock Studio, which is now in preview, MongoDB Atlas support for vector storage for Bedrock, Amazon Q in QuickSight, and there's also 3 new voices for Amazon Polly. Again, much like my last video, there's a ton of GenAI releases and announcements going on at the moment, and quite frankly, it's quite hard to see through this to spot much else. But let's take a look. Alright, LLM enthusiasts, heads up, because we're diving into the world of Amazon Titan Text Premier, the newest powerhouse to the Amazon Titan family of large language models. It's like the big brother of text generation, and it's now ready for use in Amazon Bedrock, ready to help you revolutionize the way we handle text for all of our amazing GenAI apps that you guys are building, both at the enterprise level and at the small business. So what's the big deal with Titan Text Premier? Well, let me break it down for you. This is not your average language model. It's engineered for high performance. It's being kind to your wallet and all around awesomeness. We're talking about superior performance for your text generation needs, whether it's crafting summaries, creating text, classifying data, answering questions, or extracting information. But Titan Text Premier isn't just about spitting out words though. It's about doing it responsibly. Yep, you heard it right. This model incorporates safe, secure, and trustworthy responsible AI practices, so you can rest easy knowing your data is in good hands. And here's where it gets really interesting. Titan Text Premier is exclusive to Amazon Bedrock, which means you get access to a whole suite of text-related tasks that will make your head spin. And this new model is optimized for key features like RAG on knowledge bases and function calling on agents. Open up a world of possibilities for some of these more advanced and orchestrated applications. And all you need to do to start using it is to fire up a single API and you're good to go. So whether you're a seasoned tech pro or just dipping your toes into the world of AI at the moment, Amazon Titan Text Premier is here to take your text generation game to the next level. Okay, brace yourself for some seriously cool news in Amazon Bedrock again. AWS just dropped the bomb with their latest creation, Bedrock Studio. Imagine a web interface so smooth, it's like butter on toast, but for developers. This is single sign-on ready, making team collaborations on GenAI apps an absolute breeze. With Bedrock Studio, it's all about fun and efficiency rolled into one. So say goodbye to the hassle of juggling between tools. It's like warp speed prototyping playground where creativity knows no bounds. And you've got access to a whole arsenal of foundation models and tools like knowledge bases, guardrails, and agents all in one sweet package. And you and your team can easily dive into collaborating seamlessly and crafting innovative GenAI projects faster than ever before. And for all you AWS admin wizards out there, setting up Bedrock Studio is super simple. Just configure your workspaces, grant permissions, and bam, you're good to go. So go check it out. So we've got more news from Bedrock. It seems as though this machine isn't slowing down anytime soon. AWS has just unveiled MongoDB Atlas integration with knowledge bases as a new vector storage. Now this is a game changer for a tech enthusiast like us, enhancing our RAG capabilities. Imagine diving deep into your document collections, extracting insights at lightning speed using vector search, and now MongoDB Atlas users get to join the party too. So unlocking features like metadata addition, customized prompts, and fine-tuning retrieval results. This integration expands AWS's list of supported vector databases, joining the ranks of Amazon Aurora, OpenSearch Serverless, Pinecone, and Redis. It's like having a toolbox full of power tools at your disposal to build awesome apps. Okay, get ready to level up your data game with Amazon Q in QuickSight. It's time for a BI revolution. You can start saying your goodbyes to endless spreadsheets and say hello to lightning fast insights that have you making decisions at speed. It's what every business is looking to achieve. But Amazon Q isn't just your average BI tool, it's at the top of its game with super smart features. You can whip up shareable documents and presentations, bursting with insights and recommendations in a snap. And guess what? It's easy to use, even your grandma can do it. Now, no offense to any grandmas out there. Dive into the data with Amazon Q's multi-visual Q&A feature. It's like having your very own data guru on speed dial. Plus, flex your creativity with interactive dashboards that are as fun to build as they are to use. Now, Amazon Q plays nice with your other apps too. Seamlessly integrate generative BI and watch your users' minds get blown as they uncover hidden insights like never before. And did I mention security? With Amazon Q, your data's under lock and key, meeting the highest standards and privacy and protection. Now to finish, something on Amazon Polly, introducing the latest and greatest from Amazon Polly, the Generative engine. Now available for all your creative minds out there, and guess what? It comes with not one, not two, but three fabulous voices straight out of the Amazon jungle. Well, technically they're from the US and the UK, but you get the idea. Meet Ruth and Matthew, the dynamic duo of American English voices, and their across the pond counterpart Amy, the British English and oh so articulate lady. These voices aren't just your run-of-the-mill chit-chat. No, they're here to breathe life into your text, transforming it into speech that's so lifelike you might start questioning reality. Amazon Polly isn't just any old speech service. It's like having your own speech magician. With Polly, you can turn boring text into captivating conversations that will leave your audience hanging on every word. If you need an assistant, Polly's got you covered. How about a snazzy trainer for your new app? Then Polly's your go-to. Or maybe you just want your ads to sound more human than human. Then Polly's on it. The generative engine has been trained in the ways of the linguistic arts, soaking up voices, languages, and styles like a sponge. It's got all the bells and whistles, it's context aware, it pauses for dramatic effect. Nailing those tricky pronunciations. You name it, the engine's got it down to a T. And let's talk personality. These synthetic voices aren't just flat and robotic, they're emotionally engaged, assertive, and about as colloquial as your neighbour's morning gossip. They've been fine-tuned to be as close to human as humanly possible without, actually being human. Well, that's all I have this time. Thanks for watching. I enjoyed creating this video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Until next time, keep learning AWS, like, subscribe, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.